What's up guys? Welcome back to my video and we are playing Istanbul guys. New update. What is that? Short wheel. Mystery wheel. Tignan nga natin. So, habang naghihintay tayo, i-subscribe mo na tong video. Alam mo naman para sa akin. At hit the like button na yan. Ganda nito parang gusto ko nito baka sa Pasko ito makukuha pero ayoko pangit nagagandaan na ako sa kulay. X na natin so Mr. Wheel. Kala ko naman Mr. Wheel ay Mr. Wheel. Mystery Wheel. I don't know. Basta yo! Na naman! So, tingin muna tayo nito. Mga ganyan. Epic skin to. Pero ayoko. So, good luck. 3, 2, 1, go. Please! Please! Special! Or legendary! Legendary na yan. Legendary na yan. Pig ka sana no? Guys, alam nyo ba kung ano yung pig na yun? Ay, nalipad. What the heck? Uy, ganda na ito Ha? Ano to? Uy! Uy, pera! Pera! Okay. Pang-ipon. Okay. Wait lang, guys. Babalik tayo. We are back. Let's see a spin. Legendary. Please, a legendary. Legendary. Hey, epic. No! No! Bro! What the? Can't hear any sounds.
Step 2. Mag-ipon syempre. You can put bills and coins. Lagay mo lang ng lagay, be. Lahat ng kaya mong ilagay, go! May passcode din yan, kaya safe na safe ang ipon mo. Step 3.
Pusay cut. Pusay fresh. Pusay cut. Wow! Are you serious right now, bro? I'm not joking. I'm playing with them. Wala kasi itong mga sounds.
And avoid soft drinks. Junk the junk foods and start eating more fruits. Get more sleep at iwasan ang pagpupuyat. You can also check out these products that I ordered from Lazada that can help you with your fitness goals. This apple cider vinegar gummies na nakaka-improve ng energy level. Next is the vitamin D which can regulate your hormones. And lastly, ito ang fish oil na mapapabilis ang muscle recovery tuwing workout. Enjoy 100
step. Okay? Enjoy 100 step. Ay, nako. Press this. Press that. Legendary. Diba? So, nakapikit ako So, 2. It's what? I know it's 5 there. Yes, I know it. See, I told you. 5 again. I really told you it's 5 again. Oh, 10. Okay, let's buy this thing. 3, 2, 1. A legendary! Please! Please! This is not the legendary pakita, bro. Dito lang sa akin epic Istanbul. Wait. Meron pa tayong 20. Wala na tayong mabibili kaya maglaro na tayo. Ng speed time. We are just not. So, marlinis ang ating screen right now. Kasi, wala lang, nilinis ko lang. Wait lang, ano tayo magpapagano? Ano lang? So, ito tayo, mga kape. Kampi tayo, guys. Uy, may legendary ko. May mga phone. Kala nyo lang yung ako. Pero hindi. Kasi I'm super good at this. Yes, I'm super good. Uy, ayun yung skin ko. Uy, parang robot. Parang robot. Ito yung may mga legendary. Uy, ang galing. Sobrang galing. Walang masakit. Ano? Ito nga sa at sino nga magagawa? Kasi ang dawilo. Look! How did they freaking do that? Sana ako. Next kasi ako lang yung time. Hindi, dyan. Ay, papakita mo pag-ilas ni. Okay. Wala na. Sige. Alam mo, yun lang magaling. Sige mo to. O sobrang galing na matay. Ay, naku ka, kung di na ko kasi. Ay, forever. Hindi mo magamit ako. Yes! We finished! We finished right now, bro. We finished. Yes, we finished it. We finished the game. So, kung parang yung site ano to, yung kulay green, we are starting to get winner in this round. So, itatapos ko na lang dito. So, ayun lang. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye! Yun lang. Just lang yung mag-dito ko. Why can we not? Hey! I want to do that something. Oh, okay. Yes. No! Oh, bumatay tayo. Ayun na, video. Bye!